Hi guys, it's Fizzy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about what did I tell you about losing weight, because I just lost, I've put off some weight for a couple, let's say for 2 years now. I've lost a lot of weight, and here are some things I've got to talk to you about it. If you do hear a noise, it is my air conditioner because it's so hot. So if it's making noise, I'm too hot to turn it off, so I'm sorry. You're gonna have to just deal with it, unfortunately. Okay, so the first thing I got with losing weight was a lot of compliments. So it's gonna be on social media, it's gonna be lots of family members because they'll notice it. Some people don't actually notice that you lost weight only because they didn't think you you weighed that much at some point in your life. So it's like, oh, you did? Oh, I thought you were always like this, because some people just don't pay attention. But that's one thing I do notice a lot. A lot of compliments, like, oh, you have a nice body. The second thing is I can't eat the way I used to. A lot of people, when they were younger, I feel like they can relate. They could eat so much junk food. Now I'm older, and maybe because I'm older as well, but at this point I can't eat the way I used to in terms of the portion sizes. So if I'm at a restaurant, I can't eat as much as before, or in general throughout the day I can't eat as much because I can feel it take a toll on my body. Or also the third thing would be the type of food that I can eat. So I can't eat a lot of junk food, or if I eat a lot of junk food one day, or I have a takeaway and I feel full, the following day I have to cut down my calories because my body is trying to process everything. And another thing as well is that I can't have, I need to have, when it comes to drinks, I could drink Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, Mountain Dew, but now I have to stick to naturally sweetened drinks. So like, and I have a lot of natural energy drinks, so like Tenzing, I can't think of it right now, but I can drink Red Bull, but ideally I go for drinks that are naturally sweetened. So for example, there's also M&S, they do like their range, their Pacific drinks or sodas as well, and I can't really deal with sweetness. I don't know if that's a new thing or like a losing weight thing, but I can't drink the way I used to, or drink or eat the way I used to in terms of portion and the types of foods. When I do gain weight, it's like I've gone out on the weekend, I'm somewhere in Manchester having fun, and I just eat a lot, and I don't take into account how much I eat because I'm having fun, my time off. Like, because I'm eating a lot of and drinking a lot of food in a short time span, I swear before when I weighed more, it wasn't that effective. It didn't feel as much when I ate a lot of food in a short time span. But now that I do that, it takes like it's like my body takes offense. Like, it takes a toll on my body. My body just like, I get back pains, my knee crunches, just back pains, my knee crunches, I feel tired, lethargic, and I'm like, it's just been 2 days. Like, you can handle this much food, okay? But like, I don't feel the same as well. I don't feel like the same person. I'm like, something's different. But yeah, that's another thing I noticed as well. One thing I knew would happen, that I noticed, is that wearing clothes is so much easier, and not just in terms of shopping, but actually physically putting the clothes on, like especially tight clothes. So for example, skinny jeans, things are just easy. Before, sometimes it's mainly the jeans, like the tight jeans, that I put them on before, but back in the day, it was just, I would be exhausted after like trying one outfit. So now when I'm like seeing like pre-planning my outfits, it's so much more easier, and I'm quite thankful for that. And it's just made because I like fashion and whatnot, it's just made the whole process so much more easier. Okay, this I knew this would happen, but now I'm lighter, I'm more willing to exercise and be much more active. Like, before I was active, like, I don't mean in terms like before I was active in terms of like going out having fun, but in terms of exercising, doing physically demanding things, I'm more inclined to do that. I'm not a toned person, so I have belly and muscles. So if you're talking about upper body work, I'm not into it. Like carrying stuff, I'm just not into it. I don't even like walking, but I'm more, like on a treadmill, I'm more inclined to run because I just feel much more lighter and it's much more easier. Do you know what I mean? for me, it's no more knee crunching. So in my family, I know my grandma, she has like problems with the knee. Even my mum, she has problems with the knee when she gains weight. Well, when they gain weight, or when I gain weight. I feel like the excess weight takes a toll on our knees. So now I don't hear like when I'm bending my knees, I hear like a knee crunch or my knees feel weak or whatnot. And I don't feel that anymore. Also, any like health problems, I feel like you don't see that as much. Like small things like shocking to your heart. Or like, yeah, I'll get into this another day, but yeah, less health problems or so. Usually I still like my drinks, like my first being quenched, but it's healthy drinks like appetizer, it's basically apple juice but carbonated, stuff like that. Or naturally sweetened drinks. But yeah, I tend to go for water more because it's just made life more easier. I don't have to go out and buy drinks, or if I don't have drinks at home, I don't have to think about it. But water is just like my best friend now. It's just so easier. Even coffee, I like to cut back. So I think it gives me anxiety and like it makes your breath stink. Anxiety, it gives me anxiety, and it's just like it sets my body, and it also forces foods out of my body when I'm not ready to when I'm not in a situation or place for me to do so. Do you get what I mean? I don't need to go into detail. You should know what I'm talking about. But yeah, drinking water. Water will become your best friend. So another thing I would say is life is so much easier. And the way I know this is that I don't want to go back to that way I was. That's how I know that life is much more easier. Just like, especially dressing up, going out, buying clothes, it's just so much more easier. And also worrying about your weight and worrying about your health. Because when I did lose weight, it was probably like 2 years ago. I was like 2 years ago, I was younger, so I was like 21. And it made me worry, like, at this age I weighed this much. That should be worrying. So now life has become easy because I don't have to worry about that as much, and I know what to do in order to keep my weight in check. So I feel like a bit more freeing and more chill. And I know I plan on to like losing more weight, but for now I'm quite content. Yeah. And oh yeah, and then I want to tie this in with the life is more easier. I'm a bit, I would say I'm more happier because life is more easier. Yeah, I'm much more happier. It's just easier going out, especially going out. You feel really good. Yeah, my other one, going out, you feel really good because of the clothes you're wearing. It's just easier, like dressing up. I know for plus size women it can be hard dressing up because it's just not like available, the clothes out there. And if your weight does fluctuate, it's just annoying having to find something in the wardrobe that will match your body at the time. Out of all of them, this might be a con. So I said a lot of pros, but this might be a con. It's a con and a pro. The fact that once you've lost it, you have to manage it. You can't live the life that you used to live, which at the same time it may sound sad, but it's actually good because now I'm older. A lot of adults do that. They check, especially because in the job I'm in, it's like very I'm at a desk all day, so I know that I need to keep my weight in check because I don't do physical exercise. I don't do something that makes my heart pound. And now I'm older, I know that a lot of adults actually they may not be vocal about it, but they do keep an eye in and take care of the weight. Like some of them go to the gym, they just don't mention it because it's just part of life to keep the weight in check and whatnot. So yeah, I keep my weight in check. And also it's annoying because with drinks, it just piles up and piles up. Like you think, oh, there's the sweetener and there's 0 calories, but somehow it just stays in your body. So don't be fooled by that. Oh yeah, and if you've lost weight in a healthy way, I feel like you also learn how to know what works for your body in terms of maintaining your weight. Because personally, I'm good at maintaining my weight. I'm good at gaining. I can gain weight. eat, girl, I gain weight. But I'm terrible at losing weight. Or if I do lose weight, it just takes me a long time to lose a lot of weight. But I'm really good at maintaining my weight. So this is another one. So you see the weight, right? So like before I'd be like, oh, it's fine, and whatnot. Family members would like worry and be like, what? No, you need to keep it in check. So now that I have a mirror, I love this mirror. Where I can see my body more clearly, because in my old house, we had loads of mirrors, but you could barely see your body clearly. But now I can really see it. I can see when I gain a ton of weight, I see when I lose a lot of weight. I see more in the mirror, but also makes me think, now I've lost this weight, and I've got more weight to lose. It makes me think, oh my god, how what did I look like before I lost the weight? That's what goes on my head. And I'm like, what? It must have been bad. Yeah. There were times when I didn't notice, when I gained a lot of weight, because I was just stressed because of work or something. And I remember I saw I had a, was it a butt, not a butt chin? Yeah, a butt chin. I was like, oh my god. Like, I look at my previous videos and I'm like, whoa. In my head, I think what I see the most is that I look tired. Recording videos at the time, it was very tiring. That kind of links into having more energy in my previous points that I mentioned. So having more energy. I plan on losing more weight, but those were just some of the things that I noticed as I lost weight. And there's probably plenty more, but I can't really think of it off the top of my head. And also there was another one where your bosom area shrinks. After that, I don't think I was paying attention, so I don't really know. I do feel like it's less tighter, so I would say so. But there are other things like your foot size is shrinking, your hand size shrinking, like your ring size. But these things I haven't noticed, so I can't say anything about that. I am curious, but it wouldn't mean that you have to lose a lot of weight for you to see those impacts. Like you would have to weigh like 90 kg and shrink to like 60 kg, 55 kg for you to see those results. I don't know. Anyway, I'm much more happy right now. I don't regret it. I'm gonna continue losing more weight. But yeah, these are the things I noticed. If you're interested in losing weight, these are the things that you can take into account. Because there were some pros, there were some cons. But if this will help you in your weight loss journey, then I'm happy if it does. If it doesn't, because there's some people out there that gain weight, but you might see these things as you're gaining weight as well. So anyway, that was it. I'm supposed to post once a week. Okay, I'm gonna post more every week. I hope you like the video. This is Fizzy, and have a good evening, good night, good morning. I don't know, whatever. Bye bye.